Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Samsung Galaxy M01 Core. First of all, go into Play Store on both of them. Click on the search bar and type SendAnywhere. Then you need to download this app from this developer and open it. Now you need to open both of them, click I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then go with Send on Samsung and Receive on Samsung Galaxy M01 Core. Now you need to tap on all of those dots and choose Send in order to send all of your files. It will take so much time though, so I will only go with this one photo. Choose Send and click Got it. From here we have two ways to connect. You can input this key over here or scan QR code. If you want to scan it, tap on the scanning icon over here, choose Allow and point your device's camera at the code. Now we have to wait a bit. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. You can always check it out for sure though by going into some kind of files app, selecting in my case images and typing on SendAnywhere section. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!